In question 15 we're told that one sheet of paper is 9 times by 10 to the power of minus 3 thick. We're told that Mark wants to put 500 of these sheets into a tray and that the tray is 4 centimeters deep, and we're asked if the tray will be deep enough for those 500. So what we know is that one sheet is 9 times by 10 to the minus 3, and that is the same as, so anything to the power of minus is actually 1 over, so that's 9 times by 1 over 10 to the 3, and that equals 9 divided by 1000, which is 0.009 centimeters. So that's one sheet. The tray is 4 centimeters deep. This again is in centimeters. The tray is tray equals 4 centimeters deep. So we need to know if 500 of those sheets would fit in there. So the way that we do that is, if one of those is that thick, let's just work out how many of those would fit into there. So essentially what we need to do is divide the 4 by the thickness of one sheet, which is 0.009. Now obviously that's hard to do on a calculator, so what we do is we remember what that 0.009 is made up of. So essentially what we're doing is 4 divided by 0.009, and we've already worked that out because it's right up here. So really that is, if I just write it down here now, it's 4 divided by 9 over 1000, which is the same as 4 multiplied by, so when you if you're changing that division to a multiplication, you change the other side, so it's 1000 over 9. So that's 4000 divided by 9, and we know that the answer to that is actually less than 500. How do we know that? Well, if we multiply 9 by 500, what do we get? 9 5s are 45, 9 times 0 is 0, 9 times 0 is 0, so you would end up with 4500. So what that means is, if we could get 500 in there, that's how thick it would be, but unfortunately our thickness is 4000, so since our required thickness that we're calculating is 4000 over 9. Now since 4000 over 9 is less than the 500 sheets that we want, therefore it's not deep enough for that reason.